I really can't believe I didn't try this sooner. Not only does this way look neater, but it's easier to crochet, and that's a big win in my book. I'll never start a post stitch with a foundation chain ever again. You should definitely give this a try. If you start a post stitch pattern like the basket weave stitch or just a basic ribbing, for example, do you default to a foundation chain like you would for any other stitch pattern? I did. Didn't even question it until recently. You see, the problem with this is when you make a post stitch, the foundation chain stretches, making the straight 3D line you're trying to create a little crooked, not to mention it's totally awkward to crochet. Well, the aha moment I had recently in the solution is foundation stitches. This technique combines the foundation chain and the first row of stitches, which is a great time saver in itself, but the aha moment here is the little braid down at the bottom. This sturdy little foundation makes working post stitches so much easier. So it's definitely easier to crochet the first row or round of post stitches when you use a foundation double crochet stitch, for example, but how does it look compared to the traditional foundation chain way? I was curious to find out. So I crocheted 2 samples, both consisting of 2 rows with the same basic front post, back post rib. Here's a comparison of the two. The foundation double crochet row sample on the top, and the foundation chain sample on the bottom. Now with a quick glance, you can't see a huge difference between the two, but the more you look at them, the more obvious 2 things become. First, pay close attention to the bottom sample, the one with the foundation chain. The lines aren't nearly as straight as the top sample, and that's from what I mentioned before, where the stitch settles into the middle and it creates a crooked line. That's a result of the chain stretching as you work your post stitches. The other difference is with the bottom edge. The sample with the foundation double crochet has a nice and tidy braid at the bottom edge, and I really love the look of that, particularly when you use it in an actual project. Here's what it looks like when you use a foundation double crochet row first and that same rib pattern I've used for my samples in an actual project. By the way, I'll have a link to the free pattern here for this little hat below if you want to check it out and give it a try. It's a great way to test out this method if you want to do more than just make a sample, you want to make something practical. I'll have that link below. I'll also have a link to a couple resources I have available to teach you how to crochet foundation stitches, because not only are they great for applications like this, but they're a great alternative to the foundation chain in certain circumstances, particularly when you're working a solid row of stitches at the beginning. So give it a try and let me know what you think. And have you done it this way before? If so, do you prefer this method too? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. That's all for now, friend. I appreciate you watching and sticking around to the end. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. If you like this sort of thing, that really helps me out so I can continue sharing the craft we both love. Happy hooking, and I'll see you in the next one.